Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and today I'm here with Mark Masters, and I am trying to learn about handicap accessible vehicles. A lot of my clients end up needing to get handicap accessible vehicles, and I just have a lot of questions and information I need to know. Sometimes people have to get vans where the floor is lowered or the roof is raised. When do you have to do that?
Pretty much all the conversions are done to the floor.
To the regular floor of it?
The regular floor, what ends up happening, it goes to Braun or VMI, and there's other companies out there, they're the two big ones. But it goes to them, they completely take the chassis off the bottom of the van, replace it with their floor, and depending on what the conversion is, it can lower anywhere from 8 to about 12 inches. They lower the floor of the van.
And why would you do that?
Just for clearance. So this is a Toyota Sienna North Star by VMI. This has got a 57.5-inch clearance.
Is that a lot?
That's a lot. That's pretty tall for someone sitting in a chair.
Okay, 57 inches. Yeah, that's
correct.
For a lot of feet.
So they're pretty high, and it goes anywhere. That's kind of the top down to about 52.5. So there's about a 5-inch difference, depending on who does the conversion, what the van is, the year of the van, several factors that go in there.
So is there a trend of having more space in the vans that are coming, the pre-made vans that are coming out on the market? So there's more room? Is that what the trend is?
It's definitely the trend. If they can get a couple more inches, either the way they notch out the inside and cut it out.
So an inch is a big deal?
Absolutely. To be able to do like a full 360 in a big power chair is just peace of mind to those people. It's going to just make them that much happier getting in and out of the vehicle if they can.
Because I've had clients in a power wheelchair that had to recline way far back to be able to get into their vehicle. And so that was the clearance issue.
Absolutely.
And so
that was a height issue problem.
A height issue. And so I do think that family ended up raising the height of their van to be able to get their son in and out easily.
Gotcha. And they do the bigger vans, the big conversion vans, and we've got transit vans. So it's not just minivans. This is the bulk of what we do, but we definitely have bigger commercial vehicles that have actual lifts and they don't have ramps. But for what you do and your clients, I'd say 95% are going to be with the minivans.
Okay. Is there anything else?
No, that's pretty much about it.
All right. I appreciate you answering my questions.
Absolutely.
And we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.